question number 1 is Mary threw a ball onto level ground from a height of 2 meters. So each time the ball hit the ground, it bounced back 3/4 of the height of the previous bounce. And we have to complete the table below. And in the table, we have to show the maximum height, and it has to be represented in fraction form. And this maximum height is for each bounce for the first 4 bounces they have given. So at the 0th, the maximum height is 2 meters. And for the next, it is 3/4 of 2 meters, which will be, you can cancel this 2 and 4. And for the first bounce, the maximum height will be 3/2. And for the second bounce, again, it's 3/4. So it will be 9/8. And for the third, by 3/4, it will be 27/32. And for the fourth bounce, it will be 81/128. Next, we have to find the total vertical distance, which includes up and down. That is, while it's going up and when the ball is coming back. And this we have to calculate until the 5th time. And the answer is also has to be represented in fraction form. So for the first bounce, it is 2. Then for the rest, it is 2 times of 3/2 plus 9/8 plus 27/32 plus 81/128. And we will have 2 plus 2 times, the LCM will be 128, and the 3 has to be multiplied by 64, that will be 192, plus the 9 has to be multiplied by 16, that will be 144, plus the 27 has to be multiplied by 4, that will be 108, and 81 by 1 times. We will have 2 plus 2 by, if we add the numerator, we will have 525 divided by 128. So we can cancel this 2 and 128, it will be 64. We will have 128 plus 525 divided by 64. Because we have 2 fractions, which is 2/1 and 525/64. And we add that, we will have 653/64. This can be written as 640/64 plus 13/64, which is 10. Because 640/64 is 10, 13/64 meters. This is a fraction form. Okay. The third C part is, if the ball were to continue to bounce indefinitely, find in meters the total vertical distance it would travel. So first time, that is the 0th bounce is 2 plus 2 times each bounce. So as usual, it is 3/2 plus 9/8 plus, it goes on until infinity. I am putting this infinity symbol. You should know the formula for the sum of infinity, which is A/1 minus R. So A here in this particular problem is 3/2, and the common ratio is 3/4. Because if you divide, we'll have 3/4 because we multiplied each term by 3/4. So the common ratio will be 3/4. So now we'll have 2 plus 2 by, we'll use the formula, A is 3/2 divided by 1 minus R is 3/4. This will be 2 plus 2 by 3/2 divided by 1 minus 3/4 will be 1/4. And 2 plus 2 by 3/2, if we take the denominator fraction to the top, becomes multiplied by the reciprocal, which is 4/1. You can cancel this 2 and this 2, which will become 2 plus 2 by 3 by 2 is 6, which is 2 plus 12, which will be 14 meters. For more videos, continue watching. For doubts, post in the comment section or email me. Thanks for watching.